Hello everyone. The rewiring of the truck has officially started, and so far I have the dash out. I didn't really unplug anything. I just disconnected it from the dash and left it sitting behind. So everything is actually still connected, and I can actually still crank this up. But for safety's sake, I don't really want to have it running and with the battery connected, with all the questionable spots I've seen. And I found in multiple spots on this truck, I have found bare wire twisted on bare wire and just having electrical tape covering it, which is completely unacceptable. And I found a couple more spots when I was doing this. I had a little light on the dash. That was bare wire twisted on bare wire. My where'd it go? This light right here was bare wire twisted on bare wire. I just cut it because I didn't want to. It was in a tight spot, and it was just in a wrong spot to just get it. But you can see, gotta focus on it. It's bare wire twisted on bare wire. Whoever had this truck originally or before me did not know what they were doing, and or just didn't care enough to actually use at least a butt connector. But yeah, there it is. It's taken apart, and just wait till y'all see the dash. But it's my windshield gasket is in desperate need of replacement. But it's actually the edge right here in the worst spot. It's a little bit thin, but I think if I can just clean it up and repaint it, it'll be I'll stop it from making a hole. But let me show you the dash. Oh, before I do, this is why I've decided I'm going to be replacing the windshield gasket, because I have actually done this before on a old 79 Ford I used to have. This style is just it's a locking strip thing. Let me get around. This style windshield gasket has got a locking strip. So you put the windshield in and put that locking strip in, and that's it. And I've done that before, so I'm not that afraid of actually doing that. Oh, this is a piece of the gasket that actually fell off on the inside. That's supposed to be rubber, and that I could swear that's plastic. Let me show you how bad the dash is. I'm not even gonna try to save this dash because it's just too far gone. This area right here is just too far gone to even worry about. It will work for me until I can find another one, but that is just not even worth saving, because it's just severely damaged from the windshield gasket leaking as long as it did. Front. There's the front. And this will be sitting in my storage building until I get the wiring done. Let's go over here. And this right here is the heater duct, and I actually have some of this heater duct in my storage building, brand new in the box. I don't know how long I've had it and how long my dad's had it, but I've actually got some new of that stuff, so I'm not going to be keeping that, and I'm not even going to be worrying about it. That's just garbage. And I'm not going to be taking out my heater box right now. I'm going to leave that project for a later day. There's plenty of room behind this dash that I'm not going to worry about it right now. And when I put the dash back in, I'll be able to worry about that later. But this windshield will be coming out, and you can actually see it I don't know if you can see that, but it's the windshield itself is actually moving. That's why I decided to go ahead and get another gasket. And I will not be showing how to replace this gasket, because the company that I decided to get the gasket from actually has a video on YouTube on several different vehicles on how to replace the windshield gasket with their product. And they actually have I believe it's an early 60s swept line. They actually have a video on it. And the gasket replaces a 61 to 71, I believe. So there it is. I got a very good project ahead of me. Let me show you another one of those spots that I didn't touch. Bare wire twisted on bare wire exposed. What kind of moronic crap is that? And this wire's just hanging here, not even going to nothing. And I think this wire originally, I believe, went to, I don't know, I gotta figure it out. But there it is. The rewiring has begun. Now I need to start labeling stuff and figure out where I want to put the new wiring. And I'll see y'all later.